President Biden is planning to announce some drastic new steps to help try and fight the Omicron variant, including calling in the National Guard. Do you think these measures are going to help stop the spread?
They're building up on what we have done before, but in a much more intense way. So there are a lot of things he'll be talking about, but those are the three major areas: hospital capacity, testing, and ramping up the ability to get vaccinated.
When the president delivers that speech here this afternoon, we are told by officials that he is not going to mince words with Omicron. You know this, health officials are bracing for this surge in cases. Even vaccinated people they are talking about, though, they are expected to experience mild to no symptoms. But for the unvaccinated, the president's message is going to be dire: act now.
President Biden set to lay out in stark terms what's at stake as the Omicron variant sweeps the nation. Get vaccinated and boosted now, or be prepared for the worst. A White House official says the president will announce drastic new steps to fight the surge. 1,000 military medical personnel deployed to help overburdened hospitals. That's nearly a 5-fold increase to the military doctors, nurses, and paramedics already pitching in. FEMA called in to set up hospital overflow sites, distribute supplies like ventilators, and deploy ambulances to transport patients from crowded facilities to those with open beds. New federal testing and vaccination sites starting in New York City, where in some spots testing lines stretch down the street and people wait for hours. And the president will also announce free at-home rapid tests for any American who requests one. The White House procuring 500 million tests, promising that come January, anyone who requests one through a website will get one in the mail. So what will the president's announcement not include?
Should Americans expect any new restrictions?
This is not a speech about locking the country down. This is a speech outlining and being direct and clear with the American people about the benefits of being vaccinated, the steps we're going to take to increase access and to increase testing, and the risks posed to unvaccinated individuals.
From the heart of a mother, I express my gratitude to you, to each and every one of you.
The family of Madeline Allen says she is alive and safe after a harrowing week allegedly held captive. Allen was last seen December 13th in this surveillance video, leaving her dorm at Snow College in Ephraim, Utah, carrying a plastic bag. According to an affidavit, Allen met 39-year-old Brent Brown in an online chat group, and they arranged to meet. But authorities say the relationship quickly became non-consensual and violent. The next day, Madeline telling investigators she realized the situation she was in, and even though Brown allegedly took her phone, she was able to text her parents, "I love you." Her parents contacting authorities.
Dear Maddie, if you can hear us, you're not alone.
Authorities say Brown assaulted Allen, tied her up while he was at work, and threatened her, saying if she left or told anyone about him, he would come after her family and sister. But police had already pinged Allen's cell phone. After an extensive search, Allen was found at Brown's home in Loa, Utah, 90 miles away from school, in a cold storage area of Brown's basement.